Hello guys, Rob here. There is less than 2.5 days now to swap over your Wax Ethereum tokens to the new Wax EOSio mainnet tokens. For To the Second countdown, let's visit the Wax token swap countdown and exchange tracker page. 2 days, 10 hours, 54 minutes, and 43 seconds left to go. I'll leave a link to this page in the description. It has a link to a Wax token swap tutorial, as well as the list of liquid exchanges here, with only one of the exchanges still having ERC20 Wax tokens. That is Bittrex, which will have ERC20 Wax until 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on August 29th, 2019. If we look at the Bittrex announcement here, wallets will be closed for deposits and withdrawals at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on 8/29/2019, 7 p.m. UTC. If any Wax deposits you had sent to Bittrex are not settled by then, marked as pending, you may not be credited with Wax P. So just like the other exchanges, Bittrex will do the swap for you, just like all these other exchanges. But the thing is, if you swap over the Wax tokens yourself, you will be eligible and receive those Genesis block member rewards every day. And that equates to about 33% a year, 100% over 3 years. So you will double your tokens, your Wax tokens, if you keep them staked for 3 years, if you do the swap yourself. So that's the main reason you want to swap these over yourself instead of keeping them on an exchange, because if you do keep them on an exchange, you'll miss out on doubling your tokens over 3 years. Some exchanges might offer it if you hold them on the exchange, but I haven't heard anything from any exchange on that. So to be 100% certain you are getting those Genesis block member rewards, you need to swap these over yourselves. So if you did want to pick more up, Bittrex is the only one of the top liquid exchanges left to offer ERC20 Wax. Again, they will be halting deposits and withdrawals August 29th at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And also on this page there is a link to how to vote via a Wax proxy. In order to receive those rewards, once you swap them over, you do need to vote for at least 16 guilds or vote through a proxy. So here's a tutorial using a proxy. It is the easier way to vote. So that's going to do it for this quick update, guys. Anyone still has Wax Ethereum tokens, you need to swap them over before this timer hits 0. Again, link to this page in the description. The Telos blockchain, which is another EOSio chain, offers rewards similar to the Wax Genesis block member rewards, with the introduction of the Telos Economic Development Plan. Every month, 1 million TLOS tokens go to Rex stakers on top of the tokens earned from Rex itself. So if you're not on Telos yet and you want to learn more or get your free account, check out the link in the description to this page. Get your free account here, and it'll show you how to Rex lend your tokens using both Squirrel Wallet and Scatter. This message on Telos is brought to you with the support of the Telos community via the worker proposal system. But that's going to do it for me for this one. I will see you guys in the next one.